Hi, my name's Chef Faz Ahmed, and for all the support you've been giving me, watching me on YouTube, that channel is growing quite well. And our spices as well, our crave spices. So we do 9 different spices, and that's all you need for British Indian restaurant cooking. So the 9 spices we do garam masala for the smell. We do Chill Chilli, which is, you can put in anything to make it that hot, give it that hot and spicy flavour. We also do Haldi, which is used for a lot of the pre-cooked stuff, also fish, quite a bit of fish. Also use delicious dani, again used for quite a bit of fish, a lot of the pre-cooked stuff. Chat we use, give it that salty, tangy taste. It's perfect for sprinkling on top of chips. Desi Style Spice, which goes in literally anything, and it can go into like pasta, spag bowl, anything you really like to give it that Desi Indian Asian taste. We have Jazzy Jeera and Cozy curry, which is used for a lot of pre-cooked stuff, which you'll be seeing. Once you get them spices, you can literally cook everything British Indian restaurant style. So we have a great Black Friday offer. We've got a 3-piece gift set with 3 spices, Chat, Desi Style and Chill Chilli, 3 of our most used spices, and you can buy that. With Black Friday we have a special offer. We'll be throwing in a refill pack of Haldi and Boom Biriyani. So you'll get 5 different spices on Black Friday for the price of 3 in a gift set. This is perfect for anniversaries, Christmas, or any occasion. 3-piece gift set. Black Friday you'll be getting 2 free refill packs. We have little tins of spices which you buy, and then you can buy the refill packs and refill your little tins, which you can keep for forever.